is
We have
generating
simple placeholder dashboard.
generator IDE. Cursor IDE is generating front end. What is it asking now? We have simple placeholder dashboards. Wait, what is the richer mode?
Callback error may show errors until APIs exist. So it's the safest right now.
Okay. So cursor IDE is generating the front end now. We have already created the backend for the project management portal, and now we are generating
Simple
the
dashboard. Which version should we keep? Simple placeholder, no API calls.
simple placeholder, no API calls.
And then
Wait, let me think. Rich dashboard with lease. Yeah, we definitely need that. Yeah, richer dashboard. Okay. So today we have installed Node, npm, postgressql for the backend, etc. That's how we completed the backend piece for this management portal, and now we are creating the front end for the management portal using cursor IDE. Okay. And we also installed the REST client postman to run a few post commands and get commands to test it, and it did work well for the backend. Okay. Few errors came up while installing this, and then we posted the same error to cursor IDE to fix it, and it did fix it. So
5173.
okay, let's try it now.
5173 run ஆகுது.
Wow, our front end is up and running in localhost 5173. You see all these errors? We were pasting these errors. Yeah, scroll up, please. As and when the error occurred, we were pasting that error to cursor IDE to fix it to that agent, in that agent tab. Do you see that agent tab? Actually, we are using the planner, and the planner creates a separate agent. And you see all these errors, and we fixed it. We fixed all these errors by pasting it into cursor IDE. Actually, cursor IDE fixes that error.
5173. Whether it is running?
Yeah, now go to that, please.
5173.
Type h1 http:// localhost:5173. You can click here. Click here. Click here. Where is it running? Go to the browser and check, please. Go to the browser. Go to Google here and check it in another tab. Another tab. Yeah. Localhost : 517. Okay, it is running. It is running.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. Now, what is the next step? In the browser, visit /register to create a tenant. You should be redirected to /tenant on success. Okay, 5173 /register.
So that's the 5173
/register. There it is. Okay, copy it. Slash regist